Hello everyone, welcome back to Good to Know. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we want to thank you for choosing this channel
For our reviews.
So let's go see what we got today.
Is coming to us from a company called ULALOV. And we've purchased from them before. They've always given us some quality products, and today's product is no different. It is a Gooseneck Kettle. It's an electric kettle, works by conduction. The contact is down here, and it has the power plate here. So when the two make contact, it heats up. Pretty easy. It also has a boil dry feature, so if it boils dry, it'll cut off. And also after it boils, it will cut off too. The lid is fully removable, and it has steam holes in it so that it's not going to just burst out on you if you do take that lid off. And it also has a protective steam tube in there, so if steam builds up, it has a place to go. I love the gooseneck feature, and what makes this important is if you're a tea drinker, this allows you to have better control over the speed in which the water comes out of the spout as opposed to a regular electric kettle. And the regular electric kettle, I love it. We use it all the time. But this is just better for your precise pouring. So if you're trying to pour into a small, tiny container, you don't have a funnel, this has a max fill line. It's about right here, but it's on the inside. You can't miss it. It's in big letters, and it's colored in a little bit, or engraved rather, I should say. And I've got it to the max fill line. And you guys, if this does have too much steam coming out, you know where it's going to come out? It's going to come out in the bottom. There's some holes in there, and it will drip onto here, and there's some holes in here, and then it's going to go onto your counter if you have excess water in here. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to go ahead and mount the kettle to the base, and I'm going to make sure that the center of the kettle is on that upper part. It has a light down here to indicate when it's on, and it will automatically shut off when it boils. So it automatically shut off when it boiled. It had a little bit of a whistle coming out, and be careful because a couple of drops popped out of here. So just...
But it was like a second and
right.
It stopped.
Just leave it alone until after it cuts off. Once the power cut off, it quit boiling and the steam and everything quit coming out. So now that I've got hot water, I am going to pour it over my tea bag and my mug. So, see what I mean about giving a slower, more precise pour? So those of you who are tea drinkers and you use tea bags, this will be perfect for you.
Instant coffee.
Right.
And put the cap back on your kettle to keep it warm in there.
Keep it warm and keep any bugs or anything from accidentally getting in there. So let me tell you about this handle. The handle is structured to where you can hold it like this and kind of like a pistol grip. It's easier to control and to maintain your hand pressure on there, and it's not hard to pick up. It's not hard to control. Just make sure when you do pick it up and it has liquid in it, you don't point it that way toward the spout unless you're ready to pour it into your vessel of choice. I learned that the hard way by spilling water all over my table. Luckily it was really easy to clean. Take the lid off, make sure it's cold or room temperature, empty out whatever you have in here, and wipe it out. Wipe it dry before you store it. If you do notice any buildup growing up on here, just wipe it down with some vinegar water, and if you have to let it soak for a little bit, that's okay. Just don't boil the vinegar water in there.
And rinse it out really good.
Yes, rinse it out really well after you do vinegar water. It has a rather short cord but that's for safety, so you don't have a long cord that you could trip over or knock over the appliance by accident just because you had the cord hanging. The 2-year warranty against any manufacturer defects. If you come across anything or any missing items, and once you order it, just go ahead and give them a call. They or send them an email, sorry, and they're good about answering within 24 hours. So this is a good product. They stand behind it, and you couldn't go wrong with this. I like it because it's stylish. I don't have to put it away if I don't want to. If I leave it sitting out, it looks good. It's almost like a piece of modern art. But, you know, that's me. I really like it, and I think you will too. Go check it out.
Where can you find this at?
At Amazon, link below in the Show More section. Well, thank you very much for joining us. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give us some thumbs up to get this video up. Ring the bell so you get notifications of everything that we post. And leave us some comments. Share this video everywhere. And most important, y'all come back. Bye-bye.